Hi, I'm Saloni. Welcome to Learn English with Dr. Saloni Nandan. Today in this video lesson, you are going to learn how to compare and contrast things in English. Don't forget to compare and contrast in the comments giving your opinions and click on the subscribe below. When you compare two or more things, you need to talk about similarities and differences between them. कंपेयर और कॉन्ट्रास्ट करना ग्लोबल स्किल है. It is useful in spoken English and also in writing. I have already discussed in my earlier video on how to talk about similarities. What is contrast? Or what do you mean by the word contrast? In simple words, contrast means opposite. For example, white is opposite of black, thin is opposite of thick. Contrasting words or viparit shabd as we call them in Hindi help to look at the things from different perspective. A tall woman looks even more tall when you put her next to a short man. Left is opposite of right and yellow contrasts well with dark pink. This is another simple illustration where happy face looks more happy next to a sad face. A hero of Hindi film looks more kind next to a cruel villain, isn't it? In this lesson, you will learn different words and phrases you can use to talk about how different two things are. Using the right phrases and grammar structures can help you express your ideas well. Knowing how to compare and contrast is particularly useful tool to get your point across in an interesting way. Compare और contrast करने के लिए new words learn करने के बाद आप अपने points लोगों के सामने अच्छी तरह रख पाएंगे. So this lesson is for you. Now let us look at words and short phrases used to show contrast. Unlike, for example, unlike other states of India, Gujarat is a prosperous state. Let us look at the use of unlike in another sentence. Unlike his father, he is emotional and easily gets angry. So, in all these sentences, we can see the difference between two places or the difference between the son and the father. Next phrase that we can use to show that two things are not similar but different is in contrast to. Let us look at the sentence. In contrast to his brother, he is very tall. Next sentence. In contrast to television, mobile is handy and multi-purpose. Next phrase that can be used to show difference between two things is as opposed to. For example, I would prefer to study English as opposed to mathematics. Next sentence. 200 students attended the college function as opposed to 1,000 every year. Another phrase that can be used to show contrast is different from. For example, American English accent is quite different from Indian English accent. Another example, we all are facing the lockdown. Your situation isn't so different from mine. Whereas and while can also be used to show contrast or difference. For example, wise men listen, whereas fools preach. Next example, he works slowly and precisely, whereas I tend to rush things. Nothing alike मतलब बिल्कुल सेम नहीं is also used to show how two things are different. For example, I am nothing alike my mother. She is very good cook and I know nothing about cooking. Now, let us try using the words that we have learnt in some other way to show how two things are different. Look at the example. I like ice cream. He likes chocolate. Well, here just one word is needed to connect the sentences to show how different these two statements are. We can use the words though, although, even though, however, nonetheless, despite, in spite of, but, whereas, while to connect the two sentences and to show that both the sentences are different. Let us try using these words to show how two things are different. I like ice cream, but he likes chocolate. I like to read books, whereas he likes to listen to the music. I like to swim, while he likes to play football. By the use of these words like but, whereas, while, हम दो चीजों में असमानता किस तरह से है दिखा सकते हैं. Notice the use of comma after but, whereas, while. Now that we have practiced some examples, let's understand how my two students Arun and Rahul are different. Arun is not as confident as Rahul. Though Arun is far more intelligent than Rahul, but Rahul can manage things in much better way than Arun. Arun does not like talking to people, while Rahul is an extrovert. Extrovert means who likes talking to people. They are so unlike each other. Arun likes playing football. On the contrary, Rahul likes indoor games. In spite of being so different, they both are friends. Alright, today we learned some great ways to express differences. In my next video, I will bring something more interesting. Until then, happy learning and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos.